My name is Chris, and welcome to Chris's Country Kitchen. Today I'm going to make squash casserole, and what you will need are 2 yellow squash I made my casserole with, and 1 zucchini. It's about 6 or 7 cups, and you'll take those with a 1/4 a cup of onion or 1 medium, and finely chopped, and you'll add that to the zucchini and a 1/4 a cup of grated carrot, and add it to a pot of boiling water. Once it comes back to a boil, you'll boil it for 5 minutes, and then you'll take it off, drain it, and place it. Then this is the finished product, and then step 2, you will put it into the bowl here. You will add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. After that, 8 ounces of sour cream, and 4 ounces of grated cheddar cheese, or this is Colby cheese, and add to the mixture there. Okay. Now, you want to take this and stir it up. Get it ready to put in your 13 by 9 casserole. And once that is stirred, you don't stir it too much, but you want to get it mixed pretty good. And it's good enough. Okay, next step is taking 8 ounces, a 12-ounce package of the Petridge Farm herb seasoned classic stuffing, and it's in the blue bag that you want to get. And you want to add that to two sticks of melted butter, or you can use 1 stick, but I prefer this 2. So just add that into your bowl, stir this around, get that all mixed up. It seems like it does better if it is the 2 sticks, because I like mine a little moister, which I think the 1 stick wouldn't be as moist. Then, after that, you want to take half of this mixture, and you want to place it in your 13 by 9 and put it on the bottom. Spread that around. Okay. And this is step number 4. And then add this mixture of zucchini on top. Spread that around, just clump it around. Spread it around the best you can. Okay. Everybody that has eaten this really enjoys it. It's really a good recipe. And it helps use up your squash and zucchini for the summer that you get abundance of, which my garden did do this year, an abundance of zucchini and squash. So, and after you get that spread around and everything's in the casserole dish, you come back, and I like to use every little bit up. Okay, and you want to take the rest of your stuffing mix and layer that on top. The oven will be at 350, and you will put it in for 30 minutes or until it's lightly browned. But it's a great summer dish to have for picnics, reunions. Always have it at our reunion. Okay, and this is what it will look like when you are done. You're ready to put it in the oven. And then always I leave you with a scripture for today. And that scripture today is Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous runneth into it and is safe. So during these times, please stay safe. And thank you for watching, and we'll put this in the oven. And I hope you enjoy it. It was a pleasure having you to view this. So I thank you very much.